What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today, as you can see, got the Apple Watch on deck, and we're gonna be unboxing it, guys. Now, this is the Apple Watch SE. This is the cheaper Apple Watch, 44mm, because I just wanted to try something different, and I feel like all the features of even the regular Apple Watch, guys, I don't use. I really don't utilize it. I don't wear smartwatches every day. So I decided I'm just gonna try a SE out. Now, I'm not gonna show the whole boxing because there's a lot of information on this box, but we're just gonna get straight to the unboxing. So you can see, you take this first layer off and there's just a big layer covering the two boxes. And it's got all the Apple Watches or all the SEs in different colors with different bands on here. Very simple. So we got the black SE 44mm, and we've got a black silicone band. Something like so. So here we have the watch, guys, as you can see, and it comes in this little, oh wow. So the SE, you don't get the official baggie. Like, you know, a lot of times you get the leather little baggie. When you get the, I normally get the regular Series 8 or Series 9, whatever. So I guess when you cheap out, they gonna cheap out on you and you just get this little plastic. What y'all think? That's the midnight colorway. I like it. I like it because it's big enough and it's clean, guys. It's just clean. It'll match with whatever band I throw on it. It's low key. I just powered it up. It's got like a matte finish to the rails, little openings for your speakers or your microphones or whatever. Just a nice little clean watch, all black. Just minimal, you know, that's what I was looking for. Something minimal that I could match with anything. Only thing on here red is the little accent button. As you can see, the watch is already talking to the phone. That's that Apple continuity right there. Let's continue with this. So we're just getting into some basic setup stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up. The phone and the watch are doing that thing they cooking right now. So let's take a look at the band. This is the sports band in black, and it's the as you can see, 45mm large. Open it up like so. It's not too much going on, just instructions on how to put these bands on the watch. Of course, we know that. So it looked like the Apple Watch is done syncing, guys, but this is one thing I didn't show y'all. This is the Apple Watch charger that come in the box, and this is how it's gonna come. My Apple Watch charger for my Series 8 was like a steel aluminum type base. This is just a plastic base, and there's a type C, of course. So this is basically the face of the Apple Watch. And one thing that I do notice about the SE, the bezel is definitely there. Coming from an 8 to a SE, you're gonna notice that bezel. Just wanted something nice, something low key. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the band on. And this is how to be looking on your wrist, guys. So pretty dope, not too small, looks decent, something nice, something low key, something I could throw different bands and watch faces on to match with everything. This is your boy BG Tech Life. This is my new Apple Watch SE. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.